life designer. So guys, today what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a dance rehearsal.
Excited.
So why dance rehearsal today is because we're gonna do a 1 minute video, full choreographed dance of, you might have already watched it in Netflix recently released rap music, which is South Anthem. So guys, today morning we planned and we thought of, okay, we'll everyone separately come up with steps and we'll do a choreography. So let's see how this goes and we'll see what everyone planned. So what do you guys feel?
Like none of us know how to dance. It's all our first time, so it will be fun watching it.
Nice.
I think all of us have different stuff planned and none of us know what the other
it
has
is,
planned.
yeah.
It's going to be fun. It's going to be
I
exciting.
don't even know how to dance, but
Bro,
today
that's
I'm gonna
the
try.
Yeah.
We'll just try it.
Nobody knows how to dance, and that's the most exciting part.
It will be fun.
And I'm really excited, like all of us different steps, and at the end we're gonna combine them and put in that 1 minute video
Yo.
of South
Yeah,
Anthem. Amazing.
So guys, everyone is setting up the place. Here you can see you're setting the.
Setting up the mirror here so we
So
can
guys,
see
this-
our legs.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
And Lit setting the light. Bricks also setting the light. And here we have the speaker is already set. So let's go, guys.
Go to the dance, guys.
So guys, who is going to do the first move? Okay.
I think you.
Oh, yo.
Okay, please also.
Can I do first?
Yeah, sure. So what are you gonna do?
So what I've planned is some leg movements,
my
steps,
God.
like
Oh my
jumping
God.
dance.
Okay.
I don't know the name and all, but I have seen it this somewhere, so I will do it.
Guys, all the best to you. So let's see. Yeah.
Okay. So this is the step I'm gonna show.
Okay.
Okay, move. It's a jumping. Otherwise, I will kick you guys. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
That's it, guys.
That's nice.
Okay, it's a very small step. So sorry, guys. This much only I would able to learn
It's
today.
actually really
But you did it great, bro.
I was waiting to see more of that. Yeah, like really nice. You did it.
Yeah.
And it has a good flow.
How is it?
Cute and it's energetic. So,
Even we want to
So
learn.
teach us how to do it.
I'm gonna teach you guys. Don't worry. Okay. So everyone, position.
Yeah.
Yes. So I am standing in front of this. So the step will be like this. First,
Okay.
this leg, left leg.
Yeah.
Okay, left leg, and jump and turn right side,
Okay.
and kick.
Kick.
Just like taekwondo kick.
Yes. Back kick.
Back kick.
Okay. Then jump and
Jump side.
Okay. You should have
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Balance is important.
Very important. Okay.
Then it's like a fast movement. 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Okay.
This is the position now.
Okay.
So now this leg, if you're going down, the other leg will be up. In
Okay.
a toe.
Okay.
In toe.
Okay, guys,
Understood,
like this.
guys?
Yeah.
So this is the position.
Uh-huh.
So if this leg is like this, so it like this.
Okay.
Okay. Then the rotation.
Okay.
So going back, then shifting the position.
Okay.
Okay.
So this leg will be in toe
Uh-huh.
and the other one in flat.
Yeah.
Okay.
Next step is very interesting, guys.
Okay.
Okay. Just rotate this in a static position and do like this.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Okay.
This is very good. Okay.
Yeah.
Next is
Still. Okay.
this up and down.
Okay.
Okay.
Right? Then again this one. In the same position you can do like no need to move.
Okay.
In the same position you can do.
I got it.
You got it?
Yeah. I have done this earlier.
It's very easy steps. If you try, you can also get it. It's
Very
very
easily.
easy. When you do it fast, it will be little feel like it a little tough and difficult, but
Okay.
it's actually not.
I like the second part.
Let's do it all together.
Yeah.
Yeah, come on.
Hope I remember.
Okay, I think we can do this time a little bit
I'm
faster.
gonna copy it. I actually forgot.
Okay, we're gonna do it.
Yeah.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8,
Okay.
9,
9,
10, 2,
Yes.
3. Even you can give some flag movements and all.
Uh-huh.
And anything you can do. We can
Okay.
explore dance. It's dance.
Nice, guys. Thank you for
Nice,
teaching us.
nice.
Guys, you did her best.
That's really good.
Guys, obviously we all need practice, so don't see this as our finished, dance move.
Need a lot practice.
So who's going next? You want to go next?
I'm gonna go next, okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Nev is gonna show
Nev is going. Okay, Nev, come
Okay.
on. So what are you gonna plan for today? What is your step?
My step, I didn't name it, but it's a simple step. You can easily get
fine.
it. Just
Okay.
a little bit of trick, and then you can do it. Just practice, okay?
Okay.
I'll do it now and show how.
Yeah.
you
Okay,
can.
we'll say it, guys.
Start with the dance.
We all
Yeah.
are set, guys.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the move. This is kind of a shuffle move, right?
Yeah. It feels like shuffle.
It's a kind of shuffle, but little bit.
I can see a lot of leg movements.
Yeah, it's all concentrated on legs.
You can see your legs crisscrossing.
Okay, first crisscross, then
Okay. But even crisscross has a little bit of structure.
Uh-huh.
I'll say how easy I'm getting there to keep. Okay, everyone in position.
Yes.
Okay. Bring your left leg front
okay,
and back leg this way. And then bring it back.
okay,
And then do the same with the other leg.
Okay.
Bring it back. Yeah.
other leg.
Okay. Bring it back. Understood the theory? Now do it fast. Oops.
Okay.
Are you guys able to do it?
No. I'm switching the legs accidentally, so this is a little. It looks simple, but I think it's a little tricky.
Yeah.
And a little bit of hand movement. Just like this.
Okay, like a swag, yeah.
Just like holding your cap.
Uh-huh.
Style. That's a nice thing.
Okay, you were holding your cap.
Okay, I should get my leg movements first.
I thought you were saying like, oh my god, I'm done.
Hope I have a cap, but that's. You can
Wow,
still,
this is nice, guys.
yeah,
I
and
liked
you can
it.
still explore.
Okay, bro, thank you.
You can still explore a lot of
Very nice.
variations in this step.
Uh-huh.
I didn't get it. Holding you to.
That's really
Yeah.
so tricky.
Okay.
Seems easy, but it's so tricky. Little bit.
Okay. So now I have something to explain, come on.
Yeah, you can try a lot of variations in this step, like
Yes.
changing your hand positions from here to holding your waist and doing the same.
Even pocket, if you have, you can use pocket also.
Yeah, that's a nice
Stylish.
variation.
That's a good one.
True.
Explore out all the possible, creative ways on how you can customize the steps.
I like the cap
tip.
Yeah. So guys, let's go to the next person. Who want to go
Who's
next?
next?
Me. Next is Drix.
Oh, Drix want to go. Okay, Drix, what do you want to do?
Have something very
So my
nice.
step is known
She
as
planned something.
pin drop or knee drop.
Oh,
my gosh.
pin drop or knee drop.
It's like you drop it on your knees and you just come like bounce up. It's that simple.
Oh.
Not understanding anything.
Yeah.
Oh wow,
I
guys!
really- let's-
I really want to know how this step has to be done. Okay.
We can see.
Okay, come on.
Sounds so good. Okay. You can just
Why are you guys confused?
These guys are full in dance moves. You can group, you can start however. It goes like okay. Start. Come on. Oh
Whoa.
my god. That's
It's
so
so
good.
good.
Bro,
It's
that was really good.
Yeah.
That was so fast. Do it
Actually,
again. I want to see.
Actually, I thought she fell down, but that's the step.
Okay, teach us how to do it.
The step is very simple. Okay. Stand straight. Only into the frame, not out of frame. Okay. Next, straight. Yeah. And then right leg back and come to the running position. I call it running posture. It's easy to understand.
Okay.
Take your right leg, place it back and lock it there. Don't move.
Oh my god. Whoa.
Okay. Now you
That's
should turn
okay.
your whole body to the right side and get up. Shit. And then
Can you
back.
show it one more time, please?
Fast.
Shit. Let's do it one more time. First, straight. Yeah. Right leg back. Yeah. Running position. Yeah. Right leg behind your left leg. Yeah. Lock it there.
Okay.
Drop down. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Good. Yeah. And then move to your right. Turn your body. And then you got it. From here, just land.
I finally feel like a dancer today.
And you can do whatever, like after this, like this, anything.
Oh my
You
God,
can do
okay.
anything. It's like a simple grip step and everyone got it, guys. Amazing
It's
step.
very easy.
Everyone can try it.
Guys, I'm so excited to try this step, but
Yeah.
guys, you guys did a really great job.
Really great, guys. Please do try it.
Okay, who want to go next? Who want to go next? Zoe. Guys, Zoe is here. She's hiding. Come on.
Okay, so I did try different steps, but nothing seemed to work. So I'm going to do like a very simple shuffle step, like a basic.
Yeah. Anything you like.
Shuffle is not simple.
You'll do great.
Okay.
Yeah.
How it's going.
first, guys.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah, it's like that. Okay, one more round. 1, 2, 3, go.
Whoa.
It's like that. Okay, so I'll show.
Man, that's confusing my brain.
I got confused. Like
Yeah.
The only point is that you move. Okay, you just go.
Uh-huh.
And just do
No,
it
you
together.
just get confused.
you just do it, guys.
Okay, just show us how to do it. Come on.
Okay. Yeah. So your legs are like this.
Yeah.
Just a little wide apart.
Yeah.
Okay, and your right leg just do this.
Okay.
Okay, with ease.
Yeah.
Able to do it?
Yeah.
With
First
ease.
will be easy. After that, it will go on.
Cigarette step where we off the cigarette. Cigarette
Oh.
So we do this.
Yeah.
So while we're doing this, your
Yeah.
left leg do this.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh my
So
God.
from this to this.
Okay.
Okay. So this and the
Guys.
same action goes. Oh, 1 second.
Yeah.
1, 2.
Oh wait.
Okay.
1, 2. 1, 2. 1,
Okay.
2.
Whoa.
Got it?
Guys, your both left and right brain have to work together.
That's correct.
That's
It's a
so
little
tricky.
tricky. It's a little tricky actually. So I mean, even I took a lot of time to get the thing right.
Okay.
But I think once you get it, the pattern is stuck in your brain, then it'll be fine.
Yeah, I think I will
Great.
difficult
I think we
guys.
can do it together. I think it's a very good
Yeah,
dance step.
that's nice.
That's very good.
It's not
Yeah.
quite easy. I'm saying not easy. You have to try like practice.
I got
Guys, Neville's giving justification why she's not able to.
I didn't
Okay,
get it. I think we can do it together. It will be nice.
Yeah, guys, come on.
One time. Yeah. Very simple.
Come on,
it is.
friend.
That's awesome.
Okay, all
Then
standing.
you have to practice this after.
Am I there? Yeah.
Yeah, everyone is there.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2.
Okay, now,
Next person.
guys, definitely we all will get it after a few practices. It's okay, guys, you guys did great job.
Come on.
Okay, guys, next I'll show you a few moves. I'm going. Okay, after lit.
Okay.
Go lit.
Yeah.
So, guys, let's ask what is lit gonna do.
What?
Yeah.
Okay, my thing. It should have a name, but I don't know the name. I'll show it. It's also a shuffle thing, just with legs.
Variation? Is it a variation?
Okay. Kind of, yeah.
Okay,
Should I
another
show
shuffle,
that?
guys. Let's go. Come on.
Everybody's ready. Yeah.
Okay. Sure.
Okay.
Yeah. I just have a little starting trouble, guys.
All of us.
Come on, all of it. It's all right. It's all right.
Whoa, what?
Okay, I also. That's fast.
Oh, that's so quick.
Can you do it in normal speed?
This is the Forex.
Okay,
Change
yeah.
your speed, playback speed too.
Okay.
Okay. Shit, she's.
You're going back also.
But it's amazing.
It's good.
It's very simple to learn.
Yeah,
There's
we
nothing
can learn
in
it,
this.
I think.
How do I
Okay, how did you do that? Please show us. Okay.
Okay, just stand straight as every other step.
Uh-huh.
Lift your leg out.
Okay.
Okay. And keep it cross.
Yeah.
Same time, bring the other leg outward. Okay. Pivot. Yeah. Okay.
Pivot.
That's it.
Yeah. Okay.
Take the back leg out. Keep it inside. Okay. Pivot. Again this out. Keep it front. Back leg
Okay.
out. Keep it
I
front.
got it.
That's it. Just walk like that. Walking.
How will you go back?
Okay, take the front leg. Keep it back. Take the front leg.
Keep it back. Okay.
Take the front leg. Keep it back. I got one step other than my step finally. And if possible,
You didn't get that step?
no.
Oh my god.
If possible, while doing this,
Uh-huh.
pivot this leg a little bit. Yeah. While taking it out, pivot the other
Oh.
other one.
It's twisted leg
Yeah.
dance.
Out twist and twist out. Twist
I'm
and
not getting it. I'm actually getting confused with the legs and all.
It's actually easy if you practice a few times.
Okay. Thank you, Lit. You actually surprised me.
Yeah, actually. Good.
Okay,
Very good.
She actually surprised me. Oh,
Okay,
that's a good
now
one.
we're gonna dance. like-
Guys, next I'll go, so I'll shift the camera.
Yeah.
Nev.
Nev will be handling the camera now.
I think we have something great in mind.
Oh
No,
my God.
no.
Guys, I just recently practiced this, so I'm not sure.
What is the step? What's the
Okay,
plan?
So what the plan is, I have moonwalk in my hand. Like I'm trying to do moonwalk, and also one more is there, which is glide, which is a circle moonwalk. Yeah.
Gray has
Oh my
great
God.
plans, guys. Every time.
Exactly.
It's topping it.
I
I always saw. Okay, let's
Yeah.
see how.
So guys,
Oh
the light, guys. I'll help you.
I just miss dancing, guys.
Actually, this
Light is
light
dancing.
is loose.
Okay,
Okay,
guys. So we'll start with the moonwalk.
Yeah,
today.
yeah, okay.
Yes.
Oh my god. Oh my god. One more time, please. One more
Yeah,
time.
sure, why not?
Yeah. Oh
Guys,
my
this is the
god.
moonwalk. You can walk in earth.
Shit. This is so cool.
Guys, so let's see how to learn this particular
Yeah,
step. This is the most famous step, which is moonwalk, famous by Michael Jackson.
I
So
always
let's see how
wanted
to
to
do
learn.
this. Yeah, even I also felt it
I
lot.
always heard of moonwalk but never thought you
Yeah, this is a challenging step. Everyone will think, but we'll break it down for you. Come on.
Yes.
Let's
Must
do it.
learn.
Must learn. So guys, everyone ready?
Yes.
Moonwalk is always side profile, guys. So look at my legs.
Okay.
Okay. Look at my legs. So first we'll go like this. So basic principle of moonwalk is to swipe the leg which is flat.
Okay.
Okay.
Swipe the
Swipe
flat
the leg which is flat. Okay.
Yes.
And switch.
Okay.
And swipe the leg which is flat.
Oh.
And switch.
Wow.
Swipe the leg which is flat. Switch.
Cool.
Swipe the leg which is flat and switch. Guys, how are you all doing?
How is it going?
You all doing it? This is the simplest
Oh my god.
breakdown of a
Very-
moonwalk ever.
yeah.
Okay, guys, let's do it one more time.
Yeah.
Yes.
I want to cover your face's full body, your whole body.
That's why you should show the legs.
I'm getting a running position. Is it correct?
Don't relate to your dance.
So I'll show you one more thing.
Okay.
Which is while doing the moonwalk, you have to switch your body to the
Then
front.
mine is correct.
Yeah. So it should be like, you should make others feel like, you're against gravity, just like how Michael Jackson goes.
He's always checking. Like,
Okay.
Yeah.
I never know the secret.
Okay, so let's do it.
Everyone ready?
Yeah.
Yes. Ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, go. Swipe, switch. Swipe, switch. Swipe, switch.
Oh my god.
Swipe, switch.
I think you have to
Swipe,
go front now. It
switch.
will fall down.
There is no friend moonwalk. I never heard friend
Guys,
moonwalk.
try this. Next thing I'll show you quickly how to do glide. The
Oh
reason,
my god.
Yeah.
Glide.
Okay.
The reason why I want you to show glide along with moonwalk is because these both are same principles. Okay. Come on.
Okay.
Okay, let's
I
do
never
it.
heard it.
This looks so different, but these both are same principles.
Okay.
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 Yeah.
Okay,
Show
just
the
show
step.
the
Show
step.
First, I'll show you the step.
Yes.
This is how the glide goes.
So interesting.
Wow.
This is smooth.
This is so
That's nice.
Ah, this is nice.
This is so
Guys,
seamless.
Now tap the bottle in the floor. It would be very much nice.
Yeah, it will be
You don't
smooth.
have to dance. You just have to slip and
like
dance.
So guys, I'll tell you how to do the step.
Okay.
Come on. Everyone ready? Yeah.
Yes.
Everyone ready to learn?
Yes.
Yeah. So guys, okay. So first, this is the front you want to come, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So consider this as an oval. Okay.
Okay.
A big oval. Okay.
Yeah.
So this
Is
is the
everyone having ovals? Like space for all your ovals?
Yeah,
Or-
small oval is fine, guys. You can do it in small oval.
Okay. Even small ovals are accepted.
Okay, now concentrate on my legs. So this is how it goes. So this is if this is
Okay.
the oval that I'm drawing.
Okay. That's the
You are
oval.
in this end.
Okay.
Okay. Now you'll have to complete one full oval.
Okay.
So what you have to do is one leg tip shake top.
It's a toe.
Tip on the floor. Yeah.
Okay, on the floor,
Toe on
and
the
the
floor.
other leg is flat. So as I always said, the flat leg move.
Yeah.
Okay. Same principle. The flat leg move
I think other variation
to
of
the
moonwalk.
other side of the oval and switches.
Okay.
Okay, and this flat leg moves to the other side of the oval and switches. And you completed one half of the oval. Okay, so now we're going back because this is the flat.
Yeah.
Your right side is the flat now, so you
Yeah.
obviously have to turn back.
Okay. One more half.
Switch.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Have to be
Okay, next again switch.
Yeah,
So
I
you
get
came back to the original position, guys.
Oh,
So let's
okay.
do it one more time.
Yeah. Guys, do it one more time. Speed fast.
We'll try it. We'll try it fast. Okay.
Yeah.
We'll try 2-3
I
rounds.
love those hand movements, bro.
Yeah, it's very
Oh,
You
I
can
know
do
that.
anything, guys. You can do like this, like this,
Okay.
any shoulder
Do
movements.
it anyway.
Yeah.
Get the swag.
So let's do, guys. Everyone
Yeah.
together.
Yeah.
Ready? 2-3 rounds. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So this leg flat.
Yes.
Swipe. 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 Swipe.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Swipe. Swipe. Now with some moves.
Oh my
Swipe.
god.
Swipe. 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 So guys, this is so simple. Try it at home. This is the best. So this is the best and the last one. I'm promoting my own steps.
That was the best. But it was the best. I will also say
Thank
the same
you,
thing.
bro. Thank you so much.
I like everyone's steps. Like everyone has got their own,
Yeah,
styles and
different
they
kind
are
of
really
steps.
well.
Guys,
So-
I appreciate everyone without knowing dance. Everyone actually
Yeah.
tried it.
Proud of us.
All of us are really
Yay.
good. Let's
be
come up
doing
with
it
the
better.
video.
Yeah,
And
so
it's
guys,
much
we'll be
better.
uploading the video not in this end of the episode.
Oh my God.
So we'll be uploading it as separate. So guys must watch that also.
Yes.
So guys, wait for it. Till then, if you like today's video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon. Bye. Good night.